moistures are on the way, along with some scattered showers.
I think we're going to start. In fact, we're already seeing some shower activity across the northern and west central part of the state, but I think we're going to be seeing a better chance of showers moving back toward the Treasure Valley and hopefully generating some snow in our mountains on Sunday, guys. So this is the live shot we have right now from Stanley, and as you could tell, those are definitely the kind of clouds you get as a precursor to some kind of storminess that will move in. In fact, look at this Doppler radar. This is the most rain I have seen on the Doppler radar in the western United States in about the last 10 days. So this is evidence that that high pressure that has really been holding on and keeping us dry is finally starting to break down and move off toward the east. Once the high pressure gets out of here, the moisture is allowed to come back in. So some morning low clouds, and look for a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow afternoon. Then we're still talking the potential for valley rain and mountain snow on Sunday. Again, I want to emphasize it's not going to be a huge storm, but it is at least something that's going to start to bring some moisture back to the state. 47 degrees has been the high temperature so far today. The average is 43, and I think tomorrow we could be approaching temperature readings in the upper 40s and near 50 degrees. And from that point on, it just starts getting warmer and warmer because the air mass that we're going to be seeing is going to be fairly mild. Here's our satellite imagery, and you can see this area of low pressure that's trying to form out here in the Gulf of Alaska. Now, the low itself is not going to be moving on through, but as it approaches the Pacific Northwest, it'll fling moisture in our direction. This has been a successful combination that we have seen so far this winter season. We haven't seen any really big, giant organized frontal systems with big troughs of low pressure moving through. We've had branches or just batches of moisture moving in our direction. So moisture slowly on the increase with a chance of showers expected on Sunday and then again around the middle of next week. Computer models through the day tomorrow, a mixture of sunshine and clouds, the morning low clouds, but all in all, it's going to be a fairly nice day tomorrow. Let's look ahead towards Saturday. There you can see one little wave of moisture moving on through early Saturday could generate a few scattered showers, especially for the mountains. But here in the Treasure Valley, I think we'll just see a little more cloud cover on Saturday ahead of that Sunday moisture batch that moves in. So the 7-day forecast right there for the valley, 49 degrees for the high temperature on Friday. And then look for increasing clouds on Saturday with a high of 51. On Valentine's Day Sunday, we'll see temperatures right around 50 degrees. So it's going to be a mild air mass. So let's say right now, based on what I'm seeing, scattered showers on Sunday. Then a mix of sun and clouds on Monday and Tuesday with hopefully a bigger and wetter storm that comes in around the middle of next week. The mountains are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies tomorrow with some showers late Saturday, some snow showers on Sunday. Still too early to tell how much we'll get out of this, with another storm that comes in around Wednesday and again around Thursday in the early morning. So the ski report, we need some additional snow. The bases are still hanging in there. We're talking 64 inches at Brundage, Tamarack 61 inches. Sun Valley has a 70-inch base. They're doing okay, but let's get some fresh powder up there in the next 5 to 6 days. Anthony Lake 61, Pomerelle takes the cake so far this year. They have 102-inch base. Grand Targhee at 90 and Soldier Mountain at 64 inches. So I'm thinking warm temperatures, and I got too many things, too many numbers going through my head. But the number I want to see is I want to start to see the rain gauge clicking some precipitation along as we get into this little wetter pattern in the days to come.
It's good for things.
Yep.
All right.